Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Is AirDrop not working on your iPhone or iPad? Can't find nearby devices or send files? Don't worry, here are the best ways to fix it fast. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. First, refresh your connection. Open Control Center. Then turn Wi-Fi off. Turn Bluetooth off. Wait a few seconds, then turn them on again. This fixes most temporary connection bugs. Method 2. Check AirDrop receiving settings. Make sure AirDrop is discoverable. Go to Settings General. AirDrop. Choose Everyone for 10 minutes. This gives you the best compatibility. Method 3. Check screen time restrictions. Sometimes, screen time blocks AirDrop. Go to Settings, Screen Time. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap Allowed Apps. Make sure AirDrop is turned on. If it's off, AirDrop won't work. Besides AirDrop issues, you may also face problems like a black screen, your iPhone won't turn on, get stuck on the Apple logo, or won't charge. In this case, I recommend using TunesKit iOS System Recovery to fix it. It helps you fix iOS system problems, remove system bugs, repair apps not working. No data loss in standard mode. And you don't need any technical skills. Download link is in the description. Method 4. Restart both devices. Restarting clears system cache. Turn off both devices and wait 10 seconds. Turn them back on, then test AirDrop again. Method 5. Update iOS to the latest version. Old iOS versions may have bugs. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Download and install the latest update. Updates often fix AirDrop problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips.